One of the most important tasks of a housekeeper manager is, first time in the morning, to assign the daily job among housekeeping staff. The housekeeping job distribution module helps to assign daily cleaning job in 3 easy steps. This significantly reduces the time spent on this task and improves the efficiency of housekeeping department. In the first step, the housekeeper manager can quickly check the workload for that day. The next step is to register the staff available, housekeeper manager, supervises and number of maids. We could also personalize this selection by marking by their names. The system automatically proposes the distribution of rooms in the most equitable way possible. The system assesses the working time required for each room and the previously defined sections of the hotel. From this initial planning, the housekeeper manager can make the changes she considers necessary, just by selecting the room and clicking on Move. If any of the maids exceeds the maximum working time set for her, the assignment can be adjusted. Also, it's possible to write comments for a section or for a specific room. The third step is to inform maids and supervisors about the daily assignments. Supervisors and maids who have a mobile phone and are mobile users, will have in their device their daily schedule, with all the information to know the priority rooms, the guest information and the housekeeper manager comments. If they do not have a mobile phone or are not users, it is possible to print the schedule and distribute it. In a few minutes, with the job distribution module, we have distributed the work equally among the hotel cleaning staff in the most efficient way.